Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the latest update to the Google Wallet app, which is rolling out order tracking with Gmail. This is a feature that many of you have been waiting for, and it's finally here, so let's dive in and see what it's all about. The design and build of the Google Wallet app has been revamped recently, with a new homepage that's more intuitive and user-friendly, and this new order tracking feature fits perfectly into this new design. It's a natural fit that helps make the new Google Wallet homepage a bit more like a dashboard. In terms of specs and performance, the Google Wallet app is available for Android devices, and this new feature is currently available in the US, with support for a large number of the top US merchants. The app will display orders that are arriving soon on its homepage alongside your passes, and you can view all orders by tapping the centered View More button. The new features of the Google Wallet app include detailed receipts, tracking numbers, and shipping status, which can be pulled from Gmail. You can also view online orders from View More Transactions orders, and once you view an order, Google Wallet will show package tracking details. You can remove orders from Wallet by tapping the trash icon on this page. There have been some rumors and leaks about this feature, but it's now officially confirmed by Google, and it's rolling out to users in the US. If you want to get order tracking in Google Wallet, make sure you have Gmail settings, email account, Google Workspace, smart features and other Google products enabled. The expected release date and price of this feature is not really applicable, as it's a free update to the Google Wallet app, but it's worth noting that this feature is currently only available in the US, and it may take some time to roll out to other countries. In my verdict, this new order tracking feature is a great addition to the Google Wallet app. It's a feature that many users have been waiting for, and it's a natural fit for the app. It's easy to use, and it provides all the information you need to track your orders. So if you're a Google Wallet user, be sure to check out this new feature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content, and we'll catch you in the next video.